Hey everybody, Mike here. I wanted to go over a set of quick connect fittings I just picked up for my hose recently. In fact, this is the second set I've picked up. I've been using my other set for right at a year now, and I've had such good luck with that quick connect and how easy it is to use, I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger and get another set. And when you pick these up, it comes in a box like this, and you'll get two of these male fittings and one of the female quick connect fittings. Now the one thing you might notice when you look at this listing is it comes at a little bit heftier price tag. That's for good reason. Number one, they guarantee their product. If you ever had any issues, just reach out to them. They'll see what they can do to make it right for you. But the other nice thing about this too is this is a very high quality fitting. And if you compare this to something that you pick up in a big box store, there's a few key differences. Number one, when you look at the brass on these, this has got a lot less material when it comes to the height, but it's a lot thicker as well than what you get on these cheaper units. The other thing when you look at the male side is the diameter of the bore that goes through the center of this thing is a lot larger than it is on this one here. It seems like a lot of these cheaper ones are all in the same boat. They all come with that smaller diameter. So that's really going to affect your water pressure and how much volume of water you can run through that hose at one point in time, because you're essentially bottlenecking the water at every connection. The other key difference I've noticed in using these for about a year versus these, number one, I usually only get about one season out of these to begin with. They either become too hard to get connected and reconnected, I end up fighting them, or somewhere along the brass will start to crack and I end up with a leak every time. The one that I've got out in my pasture that I'm running for the water on my pigs, I use that thing every day. I move my pigs every couple of weeks, so I'm constantly disconnecting and reconnecting this quick connect fitting, and it's still going trouble free after a year's worth of use. I think that's all I've really got to tell you on this. It's a really high quality product. I've been extremely impressed with this over the last year. I really like a product that just works right out of the box and you don't have to worry about it for years to come. Nothing worse than having to buy the same thing over and over year after year. So if you're looking for a set of quick connect fittings for your garden hose, I'd take a look at this one and see what you think. I've been extremely impressed with it over the last year. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.